Hello friends, today we will see Python installation step by step. So open the browser in your laptop or computer, open google.com and type Python. Press enter. Here you can see the website. So go to the first website which is python.org. This is the official website to download the Python installable. Okay. So here you can go to the download menu, select the operating system appropriate for your computer or laptop. So I have a Windows on my laptop. I'll select Windows. Here you can see the different releases. So we will take the latest stable release, which is a 3.12.5, which is released on August 6. So I have a 64-bit Windows. I'll select this. And yeah, here you can see this exe get installed. I will open the download folder. It is not yet downloaded. Yeah, you can see here Python 3.12.5. If you have a question like which Windows you have, a 64-bit, 32-bit, you can take help of your parents. Here double click on this Python exe. You will see the installable window, and here you can click on install now, or else you can select the customize installation. If you select the customize installation, you need to select the path and everything, so we'll recommend you to select install now. Here you can see two options: use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python exe to path. So select add python.exe to path. This option is for if your user using which you logged into your computer or laptop, it is not having the admin rights, so it will install only for that user. So no worries, you can just select the second option, and this is, you can see the installation is started. Till the time this installation gets completed, yeah, I'll share a few things with you. Like if you are learning any programming language, or any concept in the IT or a computer which is having a programs, so it's always recommended to do the practice. Learn the concept to practice side by side. If you do like this, you will always remember that concepts, and you will get a hands on it, and you can get a confidence. You can see here setup was successful. So just click on close. I will show you where Python is installed. Click on this search and type the Python. You can see Python 3.12 is installed. Just a moment, I'll show you one more thing. Here is a Python, and here is a idle also installed. So what is this idle? I will show you in some time. So here you can see this command prompt. Okay, so here you can do the practice of operators and all. Okay, so single line statements are executed here. So whatever you will type here, okay, so like if I want to do the practice of operators, I can do here. But if you have a bigger programs of a 6 to 7 lines, what you will do? Okay, so in that case you need to open the idle. Okay, in an idle you will write down the program, you will save it into the .py file, and then you can execute it. So here in search I will just type IDLE. You can see here Python 3.12. Okay, 3.12 is here, so just click on it. This window will get open. Here you can see different menus, so you can do the operator practice here as well. If you see here also, you can execute the statements, but here if you want to write a bigger program, click on file, new file, and here you can write big program. You can save this file and then you can run it. So we'll cover this in upcoming videos. Keep watching the channel and videos. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. If you have any suggestion, you can always put a comment or send me an email. Thank you very much.